Professional kitchen cabinet painters. Surely you are one of the people who spend most of the time in the kitchen and you want to enjoy a pleasant and functional place while you enjoy cooking and preparing your favorite meal food dishes. That is why you like to keep your kitchen cabinets and their image always optimal. Achieving this is often not an easy task and requires professional kitchen cabinet painters to achieve a perfect, quality finish. The colors, design, finish, and other details of your kitchen cabinets and the combination with the rest of the kitchen reflect the personality of those who choose them, even if you do not believe it. That is why housewives, restaurant owners, and people who love to be in the kitchen want a comfortable space for them to function while preparing food and thus be able to enjoy the art of cooking. Kitchen cabinets can take the color, design, and even the shape you want. Between tastes and preferences, there is a range of options that only professional experts can materialize and fulfill. Read more: https://paintingincolour.ie/professional kitchen cabinet painters/. That is why it's vital to always hire a professional service when it comes to painting.